Meaning of hokey-cokey.
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 Hokey-cokey. The hokey-cokey is a dance and song often played at parties and events. The dance involves participants standing in a circle, with each person performing specific movements at different times, such as putting their left or right hand or foot in or out of the circle. The lyrics of the song typically encourage people to join in and have fun together. The hokey-cokey is a simple and enjoyable way to get people moving and interacting with one another, creating a joyful atmosphere and promoting a sense of community.